Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I do my simple makeup. I'm starting with my Sacha butter cake setting powder, and I'm starting right from the areas where I sweat the most: my eyebrows, under my eyes, my chin, and then around my cheeks. Okay, so with my foundation, I'm using the Nude Foundation Plus Fit Me foundation. It comes in the 340 number, and then the Nude Foundation, I'm going to be mixing the two together to give me the shade that I want. Okay, so I'm pouring a little at the back of my palm, and then I'm also doing like 2 or 3 pumps of the Nude Foundation at the back of my palm, and I'm mixing it with this brush that I'm holding. Okay, and when I'm done, I'm going to be applying it all over my face. Okay, and I'm going in with my brush to really blend the foundation in my skin. It is looking too much, but trust the process. So anytime you are doing makeup and you're using brush or beauty blender, please blend. And I'm going in with my setting spray, Karite setting spray, and going in with my beauty blender to kind of blend a little more. So first off, I use my brush to blend, and then I spray my setting spray on, and I go ahead to use my beauty blender to blend, and you can tell that it is actually blending in. And with my concealer, I'm using Becharm Ageless, and I'm going to be using 3 different shades, starting right from the corner of my eyes, a lighter one, and then the outside of my eyes, I'm using the darker one, and then the middle part of my eyes, I'm going to be using the semi lighter one. So I use 3 different shades for my concealer under my eyes, and then I use the rest on the brush to kind of apply under my chin and on my forehead. And then I draw a straight line from my forehead to my nose, and I'm going in again with my setting spray, my Karite setting spray, to spray all over, including my beauty blender, and I'm going in to blend accordingly. Okay, so blend until you realize that everything has completely sunk deep into your skin. That is the goal here. No matter the products you are using, whether they are expensive or high-end products or cheap products, the moment you blend very well, nobody will tell that it is cheap or whatever. So just blend very well. And like I was showing you with my finger, you blend upwards so that it will lift your face up a bit. Like you can see that there is a sharp line at my eyes, and I'm going to be using the beauty blender I used to blend my foundation in to tap into it, and you can tell it has started sinking already and really formulating well with the foundation. And I'm going to do the same thing at my other eyes, and voila. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend in under my chin, and then also blend in the the concealer at the top of my head, as in my forehead. So basically that is how I apply my foundation and my concealer. Blending is the game here, girls. Blend your foundation and everything that you apply on your face. The rule is blend. And on my nose, I am blending everywhere. And with my blush, I'm going to be using the FaceOne blush palette, and I'm using the darker shade for my contouring, and I'm starting right at the top of my ears onto my chin or my cheekbone. So just on top of my cheekbone, I am doing that with going in back and forth. You realize that I am not scratching the brush to and fro. I am tapping inside. So like slowly and gently, so that everything really sinks well and formulates well with the other products that I have on my face. So because I have a broader forehead, I am trying to do something like a semicircle on my face so that my face becomes like more rounded and they all come together. For my blush, I'm going to be using these 2 shades with my contour palette, and I am just tapping my cheek, and then also using it to tease a bit around my forehead and my hairline, and I'm teasing it around my nose as well to give me a pointed nose. Yep. And then I'm going in my Sacha butter cake again to kind of set my under eyes for my left eye, and then I'll do the same with my right eye, and then I'm going in again with my side parts at the latter part of my face. And for my eyebrows, I'm going in with my spoolie to brush off everything upwards, and I'm going in with my small pencil here, the one that really matches my skin. It is brown in color. If you have my shade, you can use a brown skin. Sometimes I do use a black pencil depending on my mood. So today I'm using a brown pencil, and I'm starting right from a little inches away from the tip of my eyebrows and drawing an arc just at the bottom. And as you can see, I am not starting at the tip of my eyebrows. I'm starting just around where my eyebrows stops growing, or where I have shaved it off, and I am just pushing it a little back and trying to align with the arc that I have drawn below, so that they kind of sync well. And I'm just dragging it downwards to meet what I have drawn there. So that is how I basically draw my eyebrows, and I'm going in to shade the empty space that I have in between there by doing it sideways. Okay, I am not doing it like straight and back and forth. I'm just doing like some strokes of the shade, and I'm applying like very little pressure at the tip of my eyebrows to give me that natural look. And for my natural look, I'm going to be using the same foundation I used for my face, and that is the same foundation I'm going to use to highlight my under eyes, to highlight my eyebrows. Sometimes I do use concealer to highlight, but when I want a more natural look, I use my foundation to highlight my eyebrows, and I do not go ahead to actually use the foundation at the top of my eyebrow. So just at the bottom of my eyebrow, and I am good. So that is how I achieve a natural and chic look for my eyebrow. And when I am done, I'm going to be using this small brush here to kind of blend everything in so that everything sits well on my eyes. Okay. And because I want a more natural look for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the same contour palette with a shade, the brown shade in there. I'm going to be using it all over my eyelids and just for the two of my eyes. And then I'm going in with my pink shade, the one I use for my blush. That is the same thing I'm applying here. It is soft for me. It is not too harsh. That's why I use it anyway. It is not too harsh. I'm going to pull out my eyeshadow palette and show you guys. I do have this whole 64 different eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow colors. But I use the contour palette to kind of give me that soft look. But then over here, I'm just trying to use a shimmer to give me a little shine on top of my eyes. So basically that is why. And for my waterline, I'm going to be using the Maybelline pencil to kind of draw my waterline. And as you can see, I am pulling my eye so that the black pencil lies directly on my waterline. So if you don't want the pencil to kind of drag down at the bottom of your eye, you drag your eyes, like you pull your eyes out and then you draw the line. And for my cat eye, I'm using the same products from Maybelline. Today's cat eye is like dog eye, I can say, because it's so papa, it's big. But then I mean, we move, so there are always malfunctions here and there, and today happens to be one. I didn't clean it. I still think it looked good. So yeah, basically, and I am trying to just extend my eyeliner a little bit at the corner of my eyes, and this is how it is looking. I'm just trying to adjust it well to make sure that everything is set and done. Okay. So when I'm done, I'm gonna head to brush off the butter cake setting powder that I set under my eyes with my brush over there by just dragging it off and also pressing it in. You can see some harsh lines on my face, but that is not a problem. You're going to fix it. So I'm going to end with my same blush color to kind of do a little shadowing under my eyes close to my eyeliner to give me the perfect pinky look. And with my highlighter, I'm using Becharm Ageless highlighter, and I'm tapping in from all the highlights in there, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone. And look at the shine, girl. Look at the shine, you see. And from the middle, I'm going to be using the bronzer, and I'll just tap it on the tip of my nose to give me that pointed look. So basically, that is how I achieve my semi-perfect nose. And then when I'm done, this is how it is looking. Then hear me dancing. And for my eyes, I'm going to apply eyelashes, and voila, here is my eyelashes. I look horrible applying eyelashes. And for my mascara, I use this Essence mascara. And for my lip lining, I'm going to be using these is it brown? I don't know. Is it brown? Is it brown? Is it purple? I don't know. I'm colorblind. So I'm using this color to line my lips, the bottom, and then I'll do the same thing for the upper part of my lips. And yeah, guys, if today's your first time, my name is Juliana Amoateng, and I'm on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and everywhere as Juliana Amoateng. So do subscribe to my channel if you like my content so far. I have made a tutorial of the hair I'm wearing. It is just 18 Ghana cedis. Please check it out. And I'm going to be using the concealer to kind of give me a different look for my lips. I learned from TikTok influencers, so it is a different game changer. Use the concealer to kind of tap on your lips, and then the eyeshadow that you want to highlight on your lips, especially the same color as on your eye, you use it to tap on your lips and it will give you like a balanced look. Okay, so even if you don't have the color, if your lip gloss selection don't have any color of that sort, just do this style and you can achieve any color that you want. And I'm just using lip gloss to kind of give me a little shine for my eyes. And to complete the look, I'm going to be using the Rolinet setting powder to kind of set my face completely and to avoid any harsh line that was appearing on my face from the initial slide that you saw. And I'm finishing it off with my Karite spray. You can tell that this spray has suffered in my hands. And I'm fanning my face, and here we go, guys. This is the final look. So this is basically how I achieve my makeup. It is simple, it is fast, it is not too harsh. You can send it to work, to school, to church, for a professional setting, casual, any occasion at all, for a date, you know. It is not too high. So let me know what you think, guys, and I really wish you all the best. Thank you for stopping by, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.